In this video, we will see how to publish the project so that we will make it live in Lovable. Click here on Publish button and again click here on the Publish button. It will publish the project and you can see here link has been generated and you can copy the link, and when you open it in new tab and click enter, you can see that project is live now. Even you can connect it with your own domain so that it will look more professional. And if you had made any future changes to this project, then again you have to go to this publish button and click on update. It will update any future changes that has been made to the project. In this way, we can publish any project that is done in Lovable, and we can update that if any future changes were made in the project. Thank you.